just acquired this absolutely stunning Jaguar XF 2.2 diesel R Sport, top of the range, frenzy red. It's an absolutely beautiful colour, really sets the car off. It's the full R Sport body styling kit. It's got rear park distance control, lovely condition. Boot area, absolutely lovely. It's got the half leather, half Alcantara trim, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats. R Sport steering wheel. It's got the paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, satellite navigation. Aux and USB. Bluetooth connectivity. A DJH. Offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If requiring further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.